Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make pizza dip. It's all the flavor of pepperoni pizza in one wonderful dip. It's pizza dip. What's not to love? If you're watching your calories though, maybe skip this video. But if you just like delicious stuff, this one's for you. To start, you'll need 16 ounces or 2 bricks of softened cream cheese. You'll also need 1/3 of a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and we'll need more later. 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and if you like a little kick, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And we'll mix this all together. You want to whip this until it's light and fluffy and easy to spread. Basically, you want to whip it good. Then we're going to spread this into the bottom of a 9-inch cast iron skillet, or you can use a pie plate or a little casserole dish. It really doesn't matter as long as it's safe to go in the oven. Then we're gonna drizzle on 1 cup of pizza sauce or marinara. Pizza sauce is a little bit thicker, and spread that out on top of the cream cheese mixture. Then we'll sprinkle on a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, because I love that sharpness of the cheddar. And I told you we'd use more mozzarella, so sprinkle on another cup of mozzarella on top. Last, it's time for toppings. You can add any toppings you want, really, anything you'd add on a pizza. Today I'm going with pepperoni, and you can either use mini pepperonis or the big ones. I'm just gonna go with the big ones today. You could also add on onions and mushrooms and bell peppers and sausage and all that good stuff, but I like mine simple and stick with just classic pepperoni. You gotta remember that pepperoni will shrink, so I really pile it on. All right, we're ready to bake this in a 375-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now the big question is what to serve up to dip into this pizza dip. I wouldn't recommend anything healthy, but I guess you could with like vegetables. But what I recommend is like a sliced baguette, some buttery crackers, some chips. You know this is gonna be delicious. Just look at this cheesy, bubbly, greasy goodness. Sign me up, it's a yes for me. I can't wait to dig in. Thanks for watching. As always, you can find the written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes, plus some that are just pure delicious like this one that you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.